explain the natural processes of soil enrichment and its impact on food production. Now, this I think was a tricky question.
It
Some
was,
of
sir.
you
It
can
was. Yes,
classify,
yes, yes.
yeah, some of you can classify this L2 question, or others can classify this as an L3
Tell
question.
three question.
इसमें क्वेश्चन बहुत स्ट्रेट है. Explain the natural processes of soil enrichment. It is not asking what are the natural processes of soil formation.
Yes.
मुझे लग रहा है ज्यादातर इससे बच्चे लेके आ जाएंगे पोर्जोलाइजेशन, लेटराइजेशन, कैल्सिफिकेशन, ग्लेइफिकेशन, आप वो सारा लिख के आ जाएंगे. इसमें क्वेश्चन है, टेल अस हाउ द सॉइल्स आर एनरिच्ड, the soil processes that enrich. So the listing of terms should have been the process of nitrification,
Yes.
the
Yes.
process of humification, the process of mineralization, the process of weathering, sedimentation, and deposition, the process like accumulation of of phosphates, accumulation of sulfates, the process where the soil texture becomes fine because of biological processes like earthworms are churning the soil. This is natural processes related to soil enrichment, how the
Yes.
soil becomes more enriched in terms of your micro minerals, in terms of nitrogen, in terms of organic content, in terms of the fine textured soil, clay, silt, and so on. You have to focus
Yes.
on that.
Yes. Yes.
And its impact on food production. So iska na do part hai. One part is the impact on food production, which is positive. So nitrogen positive, sulfur positive, calcium positive, humus also positive. There's a positive aspect of plant growth. Nitrogen helps in strengthening of the leaves, photosynthesis. Lime makes the fiber content more strong.
Yes.
Without lime, the plants will start wilting. The role of phosphorus again is it makes the photosynthesis more possible. Phosphates ka role, growth of the roots hai, cell division pe hai. So this is one aspect. Now there's one more dimension which, if you were smart, you could have mentioned it. That soil enrichment also includes eutrophication.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
that
Sir.
is
Yes, sir.
that is an enhanced enrichment of nitrates and phosphates as a consequence of pollution. Actually, वो natural
Yes.
नहीं है, but you always add that this also is type of enrichment which is actually because of the problems in the agriculture processes, and uska impact negative hai. So the trick was that, and of course, absolutely, once you understood the natural process, the creativity in the answer could have been that you can talk about zero tillage. Okay, not simply zero budget natural farming. You can talk about zero tillage, where without plowing artificially, you allow for the bacteria, you allow for the soil to enrich on its own. Okay, so that's one type of natural farming.
Yes.
So question number 1C, L2, L3 type hai, but if you had done a bit of thinking, this was a very good question to answer.